OPW, leading the way in fueling innovation worldwide. OPW is part of Dover Corporation, a multi-billion-dollar diversified manufacturer of industrial and commercial products, comprised of 33 operating companies with customers in more than 100 countries. Dover has more than 200 manufacturing facilities worldwide. OPW has manufacturing operations in the U.S., South America, Europe, and Asia, and sales offices everywhere in between. Our mission is to revolutionize fueling operations worldwide by optimizing reliability, safety, efficiency, and environmental sustainability through innovative fuel handling and information systems.
Welcome to OPW China. My name is Richard Chen. I'm the Managing Director for OPW Asia Pacific, but I'm also the General Manager for OPW Suzhou Share Facility. I joined OPW in 2002. I was working in Cincinnati for a year before they transferred me to China. The task was to establish OPW Asia Pacific operation to start up the manufacturing facility in Suzhou. When I moved here, I started the building up the facility and acquired the equipment to set up the operation. Now, over the years, China economy has grown, and so was OPW. We utilized the resources in China, set up our supply chain network to supply the OPW operation worldwide. But in the meantime, it also benefit OPW China to have the local supplier to work with us, become our partner, and to really facilitate our growth in China. In 2007 and 2008, our growth in China was really booming. So we see needs to move to a larger facility, and we have two identical buildings. One building has 75,000 square feet and total 15,000 square meters or 150,000 square feet. Something we're very proud of is this facility is not only ISO 9001 certified, it's also ISO 14001 certified. And we have got UR approvals and ATEX approvals for various products. So this is a state-of-the-art facility with a lot of qualities. Currently, we are hosting 7 OPCOs, including OPW fueling components. And as you can see on the wall, 4 logos, meaning that we are hosting 4 OPCOs in this first building. On the north end, you see 3-floor offices building. We have all the office workers situated in these 3 floors. Now we go into the right-hand side. The first room you see is our demo room. This is a simulation of a mini station. Now we have purposely made everything is transparent. As you look down, you can see all the fittings and equipment that's being installed on the ground. OPW fueling components occupy most of the spaces, but we have a space that's designed and allocated for coders. Now, first room you see is a clean room. Coders make different couplers for various industries. One of the highlights is the healthcare industry. That's why they need this clean room when they are building their couplers. And then you can see their other assembly area. The newest, latest investment that OPW Fueling Components has invested in Suzhou, China is the extrusion line. It's a state-of-the-art. Everything is computerized. Everything that we have ever made will be stored in the database. So when we change the shift or when we change the product spec, only thing you have to do is to push the button and the machine will spit out the pipes. This is something that nobody else has but OPW. So we're not only producing a single pipe, but we're producing double wall pipe with multiple layers, which is probably the best quality pipe that you can ever find in the industry. Now we have brought in probably 15 groups of customers into this facility. When we showed them this equipment, everybody was convinced. They believe this is a product that they want, and this is a product that will protect their environment. Whenever there's a leak, the product will not go through the ground or contaminate the soil. So when we presented this to Dover and OPW Cincinnati headquarters, they were convinced because this is really in line with Dover's sustainability program. So Dover believes in not only doing business, but also doing business in the right way to protect the environment. So let me walk you through the other product line, which is a flagship of OPW, the nozzles. We have 3 nozzle lines in this facility. We have conventional nozzles, high flow nozzles, and vapor recovery nozzles. Now, one thing I want to show you is the 11A, 11B nozzle assembly cell, which we have gone through various lean practices. We have hired a consultant, a black belt with a 6 Sigma degree, and together with our production team, we're implementing the last phase of the lean program. And then the next area is the OPW FTG. Over the last 2 years, FTG business is growing also, so they have added a few more lines for the dry couplers, for all the API adapters that they're building in Suzhou. Now they have various DSSI suppliers working with them, so all these castings you're seeing on the floor is actually provided or supplied by the DSSI vendors. So the supply chain program really works well for all the OpCos in China. Last part of this first building I want to show you is our testing lab. This is a lab that we are using to really facilitate our R&D department. You can see we have 2 dispensers. One is submersible, the other one is suction type. You can see we have similar nozzle testers to what Cincinnati has. So we're testing nozzle fittings or any other new products in this lab and making sure the prototype is working before we put them into the new product launch. Today, we are very proud to say that we have run this facility as a successful example for Dover, for all the OpCos. Dover is committed to grow this market for the upstream sectors in the petroleum industry. Company can come in here. We have provided the human resources. We provided needed staff to help you to start up. So these shared services really give us a good leverage to use existing manpowers, knowledges, and expertise to help all the OpCos entering China market with more efficient operations with more competitive costs, so everybody can come into China and enjoy the benefit and become successful.